Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about a Clover, potential targets for 2023 and the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. On this playlist, we talk about accumulation distribution zone for investment, not for local trades. And today with my custom indicator set, I would like to show you the main zone for Clover. So if we take a look on this chart, it's a Clover USDT 1 week time frame and a monthly time frame on Gateo. And like you can see, the listing price was 13 cents. Just to be honest, I regret, so I participated in the Pirate Chains on Polkadot, and Clover was one of project what I voted. And around October 2023, I guess we will see the last stage of this distribution rewards for everybody who stake it, their dots and participate and get rewards on this Pirate Chains. It's useless, to participate it because now this coin lay down on the bottom. So you could make more money if you just sell Polkadot here on this USDT, accumulate the same coins now. That's why everybody making mistakes, and it's okay. Sometimes so you just get experience, for the next cycles. Last week we got a lowest point ever. Here it's 2 cents, almost 3 cents. 2 cents, 85. And now we make a bounce. But the bad things, we can go and test 78 level by FIB. Why exactly this one? Because here, this is a FIB trend extension, not retracement. Here's a top, here's a support, and here's a FIB. Like you can see, we walk from level to level, and now we pass it. Not hold the line at 61 level by FIB, and I guess it's not necessary, so we have to drop to 78, 0.2012. But we have all chances. Most positive scenario, we can bounce to 61 level by FIB. It will be 20 cents. And just to be honest, it will be the crazy gains for Clover. Also, you have to keep in mind, not every single altcoin will be the previous all-time high. So you don't have to build some pink dreams about any single coin just because this coin lay down on the bottom. The main gaps, what we can come back and close for Clover is here. It's monthly gaps. So first main one, and the crucial level will be between 15 cents till 25. In this area, everybody starts screaming, we're going to $1 and much, much higher. But I think after this move, we can test even 34 cents and then collapse it down. But no rush, jump all in Clover, because like you remember, we can collapse it down and add 1 0. So the first level where you can start fix your position or at least withdraw initial deposit, it can be this 61 level by FIB, 20 cents psychological price, and it will be exactly 50% of this range. Next one is tiny one on 23 level by FIB, and the main one is 0 level based on this FIB is this huge one. It's between 78 cents till $1.02. This all levels, it can be the more than possible to reach these levels and more than good for next bull run, because you can open a lot of coins which made a all-time high in 2017, for example, like Bitcoin Cash, and then Bitcoin Cash make a move like this one in 2021. So this was a top for Bitcoin Cash. The same story can be with the Clover. So now everybody just expects so that every single next cycle we have to be the previous all-time high, but it's not. That's why everybody who waiting, so we have to be the $2.16 and pump it from 3 cents. It can be just a big mistake, That's why you can step by step accumulate and step by step distribute your coins on these levels. This FIB is legit now. If we take a look on volume range here, where the main crucial level can be for Clover here on the weekly time frame, when we breaking out this crucial level from sellers, it's around 7 cents. It can be like this move. We can go up, liquidate all these guys, close at least 50% of this week, and come back down, retest, hold the line, and then road will be open to test 20 cents. So it will be a really, really positive scenario for Clover, because here from this current price, it can be around 400%. It's more than good for this market condition, In this area, no pressure from sellers. So it's also more than good. Anyway, over than every single candle, like this one, someone stop losses and liquidity. So this is how it works. That's why this level, it's a crucial level, and this one, I guess sooner or later we can come back and close. But just keep in mind, so 66 cents can be the top for the next bull run. And from this current price, it can be around 2,000% gains. For altcoin like Clover, it's more than good, because a lot of new projects appear on the market, and Clover, of course, every single coin can be in top gainers, but just be careful with your expectation. And better when you see, for example, like X2 or X5, just withdraw your initial deposit, just leave free coins and ride to a new all-time high if you want. So this is the main gaps, main levels for Clover, what we can achieve. This year, I guess 20 cents will be the most positive scenario for Clover if we will see this level. Now let's go and double check this chart with my customer care set. And I highly recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1. Accumulation distribution. Like you can see, yes, we're forming the pure divergence. Also, what do you have to know? A lot of people talk every single time when we coin going down, everybody talk, oh, this is that coin, but it's one more time big mistake, because market makers don't care what to trade. They make it money. They made it USDT, that's why they forming the huge divergence now. Here, the biggest accumulation was in June 2022 at 8 cents. Then they accumulate here at 5 cents and drop it down to 2 cents. So the average price of whales can be around, for example, 6 cents. Then they can easily make a move like this one and push it price higher. At 12, they can withdraw initial deposit and sell step-by-step free coins to retail investors to bring the FOMO and the greed on the market. This is how it works. And trust me, for the big players, like I always explain you, they more than enough to make it double X. Because they invest millions. They can accumulate long-term period. 1 year they accumulate with average price 6 cents. They can push the price to 12, withdraw millions. USDT, withdraw initial deposit, just show the small seller pressure here. Price drop it down, make a correction. And they ride with the free coins from average price 6 cents to 20. It's more than good profit for whales, And retail investors will jump in at 20, because you will see the news on the market. So Clover, it's new top gainers, blah, 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 all this stuff. So just be careful. And your main goals is take a look where the whales accumulate. Imagine where the average price, average entry for whales, and ride together with the whales. Crypto fly direction. No signal to buy or sell, but we're in good condition. We're laid down on the bottom on the crypto fly direction on the weekly. So it's more than good signal. So now it's not the right time to sell. Of course, you can sell and wait the best entry point here, but maybe will not touch 78 level by FIB. That's why you never get the bottom, never sell the top. Crypto flight market mode. Every single time when you see the cold white mode on the market, it's good time to accumulate. Here's a red color. It's all this road, it's distribution. When you see this white, gray color on the market, it's good time to accumulate. This one is blue one, also a good time. So now it's not a time to sell. It's time to accumulate your position. On trade on a weekly time frame, we don't have any signal to buy or sell. If you want to take a look how trade on playing out on daily, on intraday, this is how it works. So here was a main signal to buy. In December 2022, we pump it. It's for intraday, it's not for investment. We pump it 22%. We got a signal to close position, take a profit, Then we got a sell 27%. Then we got a 50% sell 64. And at the top, it was, even at the top, it was around 95. And then we got a major signal to sell on the daily. After sell, you can make on if you open short till signal to take profit 35. With the futures, it can be even with the second leverage, it can be around 70% profit. So it's more for safety trade. Now we got a signal to buy here. Signal to buy 35%. Signal to buy 14. Signal to buy and buy now. After last signal to buy, Clover made here 31. But like you can see, we got a major signal to buy was here and here. So the average entry can be around 3. That's why your average entry point can be still in profit around 14%. So it's only up to your own risk. But anyway, if you just trade, for example, with trade on, you can always, and you have to always use stop losses. So for example, if you open position here, you can or fix 6% profit or add stop losses. So you just get a stop loss, not a liquidation, you know, because in that time on the Binance news here, after signal to sell, here's a Binance news, here's a drop 31%. But now we make a recovery move and got 31% back. So this is how it works, you know, and I don't recommend you to use only trade on indicator for your strategy. You have to always use my indicators set if you use it in a complex. And here's the last one indicator what I would like to show you. It's a take profit. Take profit indicator, like you know, always show the fundamental price. So this last line, it's the real value. So the real value of Clover now, it's here. It's a little bit over than 50% of this week candle. It's 13 cents. Sooner or later, we can test the fundamental price, buy line, take profit. Take profit, like you can see, we are going down. So till that time where will be the take profit line, it can be around here. For example, in October, it can be something like this one, you know. But anyway, sooner or later, we'll come back and test take profit line, because like you can see on the daily time frame, it's the same story, but for intraday. We drop it down on the fundamental price, we bounce. Drop it down, we bounce to take profit line. Drop it down to buy line, bounce to take profit and exit line. Now, once again, we come back here and hold the line, the fundamental price. The higher time frame, the strongest signal. So this is how it works. That's why sooner or later, we'll come back and test fundamental price, 13 cents, and take profit. Take profit now, at this current moment, 35. But all these lines are dynamic. And I guess around October, September, we can see something, something around this area. In this range between 15 and 25. Of course, we have all chances, so these lines going down, 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 and we go into zero. The same, we just work with possibilities, and we work the same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin can go into 6K. So every single time, just be careful with your expectation. You know, all lines are dynamic, the price action are dynamic, and the market makers can crash just by news. You know, maybe tomorrow we really ban the Binance, for example, and all crypto reacts immediately down. So this is how it works. So guys, I showed you on a Clover the main targets, the main gaps, the main levels, and main accumulation stage for where the whales accumulate now. Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan. Guys, I hope you like this video about a Clover. Write us in comment what do you think about this coin in general. Do you hold this coin in your portfolio or not? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.